Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is suppression of substance. In our daily life we eat different kinds of foods. Some are pure and some are impure. So first we discuss table number 5.1. Suppression process, purpose for which we do the suppression, what do we do with the separated components. First one, separate stones for rice. How to we separate stones from rice? To separate two different but useful components, we threw away the solid components. Churning milk to obtain butter. To remove non-useful components, we threw away the impurities. Separate tea leaves to remove impurities or harmful components. We use both the components. Okay, I don't understand why do we separate substance. Process with its purpose and the way separate components are used. First we discuss why do we separate substance. When two or more substances mix it together, then from a mixture, component of a mixture should be separated because some components may not be useful or some spoil the useful components of the mixture. So separating process is very important. Okay, process with its purpose and the way separated components are used. A suppression process is a method that converts a mixture or solution of chemical. The process of suppression may be analytically can be used as a like components in the original mixtures. Okay, we see that before we using a substance, we need to separate harmful or non-useful substance that may be mixed with it. And before we cooking in our home, we separate the some waste and non-useful things. Separate the rice. Okay, sometimes we separate even useful components if we need to use them separately. Okay, the substance to be separated may be pretzels of different sizes or materials. Okay, these waste materials are different sizes. What are there? Some are solid, liquid and gases. Okay, solid things we easily separate the process of hand picking. Okay, and some liquid materials we easily separated how filtration and gases the winnowing. Okay, three states of matters. What are they? Solid, liquid and gas. I understand. So how do we separate substance mix it together if they have so many different properties? So we use different methods: hand picking, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decanterations and filtration are some of the methods of separating substance from their mixtures. Okay, I understand. Methods of separation. We will discuss some simple methods of separating substance that are mixed together. How you may come across some of these methods being used in day-to-day activities. In our day-to-day activities, we apply some methods. For example, before cooking, we use hand picking, and these are the examples of the some methods. And first, we discuss hand picking. Activity 2: bring a packet of food grains purchased from a shop to the classroom. Now spread the grains on a sheet of paper. Spread a grains on a sheet of paper. Do you find only one kind of grains on the sheet of paper? As there are pieces of stones, husks, broken grains and pretzels of many other grains in it. We look at the paper, stones, husks and broken grains and any other grain, different types of stones, husks and broken grains we see in that paper. Okay, how remove with your hands the piece of stones and husks and other grains from it? This method of hand picking can be used for separating slightly larger size impurities like the piece of dirt, stones and husks from wheat, rice or pulses. Okay, the larger size impurities we easily separate. That method is called the hand picking. Okay, the quality of such impurities is usually not very large. In such situation we find that hand picking is a convenient method of separating substance. The large size of non-useful things we easily separate in the substance. How? Hand picking method. Okay, I understand. We use different types of methods in our day-to-day life. The first one is hand picking, next threshing. Next class we discuss threshing method. Okay, thank you all of you.